Hi friends, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome again in the channel SJP Education Hub, YouTube educational channel where we provide quality videos related to the topic, educational topic like Vedic math, abacus, math, science, English grammar, spoken English, various type of competition exam topics like MPC, UPSC, various type of exams, bank exams, various type of financial exams. Thank you for watching our channel. Today's topic is using of demonstrative pronouns. Before going to the topic, I want to request all of you guys, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you like the video, please like and share videos immediately as you like to your friends and in your groups, to your relatives, so we could be able to reach more and more students and friends like you with the help of you guys. Last request is if you have any doubt, any query, any suggestion or any advice or any good words, please comment in the box. We will give you reply as soon as possible. Let's go to the topic. Topic name is use of demonstrative pronoun. A word used at the place of noun that demonstrate the noun is called demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Use of demonstrative pronoun. A word used at the place of noun that demonstrates the noun is called demonstrative pronoun. Example: this, that, these, those. Okay. Let's take some uses of this to determine to demonstrate a singular noun which is nearer to the speaker. To demonstrate a singular noun which is nearer to the speaker. Okay. Example: this is my pen. This is my pen. Okay. This is used as a single as a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun here. Okay. Second is to introduce someone or something. To introduce someone or something. Someone or something. This is my friend Mahesh. This is my friend Mahesh. This is my new bike. Okay. This is my new bike. Okay. To introduce someone or something. Okay. Third is to make a post statement about something. To make post statement, not pre statement. Post statement about something. Saving water is the best policy. This is right. Okay. Saving water is the best policy. This is right. Okay. Second is that let's learn uses of that to demonstrate singular noun which is far from speaker here, which is nearer from speaker here, which is far from speaker. That blue car is mine. Example is that blue car is mine. Second use of that is to make one's recognition. To make one's recognition. Look there, that is Mahesh, my friend in blue t-shirt. Okay. Look there, that is Mahesh, my friend in blue t-shirt. Okay. Third, which is for this and that, for those, this and that. Okay. For talking something, for talking about two person or thing, for talking about two person or two things. Okay. We can use to donate for first person, that is donate, dot is donate for first person, and this is donate for second person. For first person that, for second person this. Remind it, for first person that, and for second person this. Okay. If there are two persons sitting opposite you or near opposite you, okay, or thing, person or thing, and you want to mention or recognize that person or thing, use that for first one and this for second one. Okay. And third is this, use of this to demonstrates plural noun that are nearer to speaker. Plural noun, demonstrate plural noun which is nearer, which are nearer to the speaker. Okay. These are my old shoes. These are my old shoes. Okay. Those to demonstrate plural nouns, both plural and plural, but that are for far from speaker. Far from speaker. Those are good players. Those are good players. Those are good players. Okay. Thus, this is the end of the topic use of demonstrative pronoun. We have learned the pronouns these, that, these, those, how to use these pronouns. With the example, we get some example for getting how to use these pronouns. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, like and share the video to your friends and relatives and in your groups, so other get benefit from this information, and will be connected to our channel. And second request is, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. And third and last request is that if you are any doubt, any query, any suggestion, any good word, please comment in the box. We will give you a reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Meet you in next video. Thank you very much.